Hello guys, it's me Devendra. I'm going to show you today how to connect a simple LED strip connection in your home that is generally used for decoration purposes or any other purposes. This one is a LED strip wire with different types of LED bulbs you can see here with verifying resistances in each connection. Now this works on DC voltage only. So for the installation of the DC voltages, all I need is a voltage regulator. This is a Zener diode voltage regulator with AC input of 130 volt to 240 volt range and DC output of 12 volt 2 ampere. Now there are different types of connection displaced and generally represented here. Now you can see this one is for the live purpose written as L, for neutral purpose written as N, and for earthing or ground purpose written as Z. Now these are for the input purposes. These are for the AC input purposes, where there are for output voltages, DC output voltages plus B and minus B are written. And now this one is for the adjustment of the voltages that we need depends upon the number and types of the bulbs used in the strip connection. That is, the adjustment works on basis of this strip, how long it is, how many bulbs here we used. That is for the distribution of the voltage in this parallel connection LED strip. Now another thing that I need here is a multimeter. This multimeter is for purpose of measuring the voltage only. There are no relation of the current in this simple circuit. Now this one measures voltages, and now you can see this is operating. This one is for the sinusoidal AC voltage, and this is for current purpose. Now this one is for the DC voltage. You can see this straight line, that is steady current. So from this power regulator, when you give a input here in the live and neutral connection, this one will be a sinusoidal AC, but when it will get a regulating supply with different types of connection that I have talked in my theoretical portion ago. So this plus B and minus B, this one gives a DC output voltage. So this multimeter is commercially used for the defining which connection is right or which connection is wrong. Now first of all, I am going to show you how to connect this voltage regulator to the input AC. Now all I have got is a wire here. This wire has to be connected into this voltage regulator with the help of this screwdriver. Okay, now I am inserting this wire into the screws, and I'm gonna tight it. Okay, I've connected one. Now I have another one. You can see it here. Okay, I'm sorry, this one. Okay, let's make it ever. Screw it out. Put a wire into this screws and tie it. Okay, tie it. One completed. And for I'm sorry. I'm inserting another wire and I make it tight. Okay, as you can see, be careful that there is not any rough connection here. I have provided the input here with live and neutral here. Now all I am gonna do is to check the voltage. For this I have got this multi-plug to check the connection. You can see the red LED is glowing. This red LED provided you that. Now you can see there in a small letter there is written about the indicator. Okay, this one is an indicator that you have a power supply here. Now this one is AC, that is it is traveling to the voltage regulator circuit. From this LED you can see the indication. Now all you have to do is to check the voltage, how much voltage this power regulator is generating for the purpose of the LED strip. Now all we have to do is to place out the multimeter. This multimeter must works on DC voltage. Now put it in a range, so that this one is a DC output ranging up to 12 volts, so I can place it in a 20 volt category so that I can read the reading. Now look here, I've got the 2 wires. Be careful that don't insert this wire into this wire, because this one is working in DC voltage, it will blast. Okay, so be careful about that. Now for put this wire, this one is a wire, this one is another wire, just make it contact with those wires. Let's see, I can read. No, don't put it here. This one is a earthing. You can see this is plus V and minus. If they are indicated here, just put the wire here. Okay, and I will see you. You will see there is a reading, but the reading is negative. You can see this. Okay, this one is a reading. Okay, but the reading is negative. You can see the voltage reading here in power. Okay, 12.4 volts. Okay, so when it gives negative reading, you have to be careful. Why it gives negative reading? This is because of a case that the connection that are given here, plus V and minus V, that I inserted the wire, these are opposite, so I must interchange them and give a reading. Let's see. I'll take another reading here. Now see, you can see that. Okay, here you see the positive reading here. So for any connection, okay, if you don't have given this indication here, you have given this indication here, I'm going to show you. It is written this one. Okay, this one is minus V, this one is plus V. This is for minus wire, this is for plus wire. But in some cases, in voltage regulator, if this type of indication is not given, there will be a confusion of inserting which wire to which connection. So for that condition, we need a multimeter, and this multimeter will give you the reading for any type of DC voltages. Okay, so that for that purposes, if the indication is not given, you must use a multimeter to find which one is positive, which one is negative. As I show you here, minus V and plus V will gives you a, let's see, when I insert a positive wire here and negative wire here, it will provide you a negative reading there. Okay, sorry, it's not going. Okay, you see there, it will give a negative reading. But if you make it a correct connection as given here, plus V and minus V, okay, this one is for positive connection, this one is for negative connection, you will see a positive reading here. Okay, you see there, you're giving 12.494 volt. Okay, this is the main function of inserting or connecting or checking any kind of DC output power supply. Now I have taken the reading here, positive, negative. I'm sorry, that's not on. Okay, this one is for positive, this one, and now you can see the voltage generating here. Now all you have to do is now to connect. Okay, the function of multimeter is over. This is only for the purpose of which one wire is positive, which one wire is negative. If there is alternation in positive and negative wire, it will provide you negative reading, so that in any kind of cases for AC and DC purposes, you can use it for determining the live wire, neutral wire, or positive or negative connection. Now I am connecting a strip to this connection. Now you can see here, this one is positive and this one is negative. Okay, we have given here indication also. You can see here 12 voltage input DC with positive and negative. Okay, it doesn't matter what is written in the strip. All you have done is with the help of this multimeter. Now just take a screwdriver. Here is a positive terminal. Screw it out. Just switch off it for some minute. Now insert a wire here and tight it. Okay, this one is for the positive. Oh, I'm sorry, this one is for the positive connection. I'm not a good screwdriver, I'm sorry. Now lose it, then try it. Okay, now all you have to do is the final result, that the strip will glow or not glow. Now you have different types of wire for other purpose only. This one is for the connection, so that it can be used if there is not sufficient power for the connection of the LED. This type of LED strip, you can also provide the input from these lines. So now all we have to do is to check, will it glow or no. If the resistor, if the LED bulbs are correct, that means they are in their general working purposes and their general condition, it will go up. Now all we have to see is the final result, and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna switch and provide a power supply from the AC, so that the DC will elaborate the current from the help of the general voltage regulator and will provide a glowing and amazing light here. Okay, you can see this, it will glow it. How beautiful is this looking. Okay, similarly you can use it for any other purposes. You may have heard an adapter or any other type of equipments that are used for the purposes of the DC. In this way you can install any types of LED bulbs at your home simply with help of without help of any kind of great electricians or efficient electricians. Now I will show you the adjustment button, how it will work. There is adjustment button. When I screw it loose. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm making it loose. Okay, it is getting dim. It is getting dim. Okay, it's getting dim. Okay, you can see here. Okay, it is off. Okay, it get off. You can see here it is off. Okay, so note for increasing and decreasing. Okay, I increases it, and now if you want to decrease, just move it in this opposite direction, and it is just decreasing here. Okay. Similarly, you can adjust the voltage with the help of this adjustment button. Thank you for watching the videos. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my videos. If you like these videos, I'm generating other videos based upon the for general purpose. I'm generating more other videos. So thank you. Keep it up.